If anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Good news for the people who want to learn Python programming and as well as best chance to earn money. Yes, what you listened is right. This training provides knowledge and grip on programming, and this training leads to earn money. After training, they will conduct tests. Based on that, they will give cash prizes. Now, I will explain in detail about Python challenge. Don't skip this video. Okay, let's start. It is Python challenge. Learn Python programming during lockdown and with cash prize. First prize will be up to the cash rewards 35,000, and second prize will be 20,000. Third prize will be 10,000. And main thing I need to say to you, the last date to register is 21st May. So don't miss this opportunity, because it is the best opportunity who want to learn Python programming, and as well as it will try to earn money. It is not at all a free, but it is less fee compared to other institutions. So don't miss this opportunity. Try to utilize this opportunity who want to learn Python. So the registration fee was 1349. Compared to all, it was less, and there are so many benefits and rewards while registering or after registering in this. So I will explain each in detail. So don't skip this video. Here you can see enroll for programming with Python and participate in the Python challenge. The Python challenge ends, the registration ends in 6 hours 54 minutes. So there will be less time. Sorry for the late video. Don't miss this opportunity, but you can do a lot of registration in 6 hours. So anybody are interested, don't skip and don't miss this opportunity. Till the full video you will get full clarity and full information regarding this, and I will explain about the contest. First of all, the Python challenge is your chance to learn the most popular and versatile programming language, and it win cash rewards worth up to 65,000. Also based upon your performance they will give money and they will provide money. And first you will learn Python on international training platforms, and then you will take a part in the online challenge. You will have to submit a project. After learning the Python training, they will give some of the projects to you. Who will perform the best, they will take into the consideration. So perform well by learning. Don't waste money. If anybody are interested to register, start registering and start learning how much you can. So don't skip this video. And the reward with cash prize is worth up to 35,000. First prize will be 35,000 and second prize will be 20,000. Third prize will be 10,000. So try for the first. If you try for the first, you will get second or third, no problem. But your target will be any time will be first only. So don't miss. If you want any clear information, you can click here to detailed table of content. So if anybody want clear information, you need click here. So don't skip this video, and I will show here why should you participate. The main question rises in your mind is, why should you participate? Really, first of all, win cash rewards. Winner up to the I have already said to you, the first winner will get 35,000, second runner up 20,000, third runner up 10,000. So don't miss this opportunity, my friends. I am saying again and again for you, don't skip and don't miss this opportunity. And best chance for you, you can also earn certificate for this. If you want to see here the verified certificate, I will show here. You can see here certificate of achievement with your name in International Training Python Challenge. So we highly appreciate all the efforts put in and wish him all the best for the future endeavors. So it is the best thing. You need to don't miss this opportunity if anybody are interested. Okay, I need to say for you the timeline was 21st May 2020 is the last day to register, and your online training will start from tomorrow, and complete training will be on 10th July 2020, and the results will be announced on 15th September. So be patient and try to learn how much you can. And why learn Python? You can see here machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, hacking, Internet of Things, and many more. Python is everywhere used nowadays. Python is one of the, if you learn one language perfectly, you can really easily survive in this society, in this world. First of all, this is beginner friendly. If anybody doesn't have any touch on that, you can easily register on this, no problem. And then after that, be in demand. It is really Python and so many Java and so many programming languages are in more demand. If you learn Python, definitely will get easily job. Your resume will be more effectively compared to others. and you can see feedback from past students. If anybody want clear information regarding this, you need to enroll and you need to start for this. First I need to explain one thing for you all. If anybody want clear information regarding this, you need to visit this website. How you want to visit means I will provide link in the description box. Please click on that link. You will definitely go to this website, and definitely if you want more and more, you can register here and you can search here, no problem. And one thing I need to say for you all, and another contest has been conducting through this platform was May Madness internships. That internships means during this lockdown so many are in home only, so you need to utilize this time doing internships from work from home jobs. You need to utilize these times. That is the best chance for you. You need to keep application. They will send based upon your application, they will send message for you are selected or not. If you select, you will get money and stipend based upon your work. So don't miss this opportunity. Try to learn and try to earn money in this lockdown or during this lockdown. Try to earn more money and settle perfectly. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.